Hi, my name's Nicholas Stevenson. I'm an illustrator, I'm an animator, and I'm a university lecturer. You can find my work in newspapers like the Washington Post and the New York Times. You can also find my work in children's books and on lots and lots of album sleeves. As a child, I grew up in a place coated in a strange magic dust, full of prismatic coral reefs and glowing insects. It's in this dreamlike realm of heightened emotion that all my illustration takes place. Texture is a big part of the identity of my artwork. It allows me to bring an organic touch to my digital work and play with emotion. I create textures with everything: brushes, inks, old prints, even food, or the most unexpected objects imaginable. I incorporate these textures into my illustrations using Adobe Photoshop. The software allows me to work to short deadlines and to bring a traditional touch to my digital images. In this domestic course, I'll teach you how to find textures from the world around you and use them to create your own digital illustration language using Adobe Photoshop. You'll learn how to make handmade textures and build your own unique texture library. First, I'll show you how to use handmade experiments, marks of wear and decay, and prints as textures. After that, I'll show you how to scan textures to bring out their best in Photoshop. From a digitized illustration drawn on paper, we'll learn how to add grayscale textures and add color to them. Moving on, we'll learn techniques to combine layers and layers of textures, and we'll learn a literary approach to design ideas for a landscape illustration. Afterwards, we'll draw out your image, we'll apply textures to it, and we'll add finishing touches to create an overall feeling. Lastly, we'll look at the materiality of digital images and how to animate textures to create a moving GIF. By the end of this course, you'll have all the techniques you need to add a human element or an analog feel to your work. Some basic Photoshop or drawing skills might be helpful to follow the steps, but they're not mandatory. You'll need a computer with Photoshop, you'll need access to a scanner or camera, some brushes, and some black ink. This course is perfect for anyone wanting to develop their visual language using Photoshop. Give your digital illustrations personality with texture.